Today's video is all about Miyakota New York, which is an ethically made, eco-friendly, sustainable, and vegan comfy clothing brand. Disclaimer here, I was kindly gifted these pieces, but as always, opinions are always my own, and my goal is to help you with the content that I create. So all of their clothing pieces are made with plant-based materials with the addition of small percentages of spandex in order to give more comfort and movement to the clothing. Now, because this is a slow fashion brand, it takes longer for them to make the pieces, but they use high quality materials. They don't use any animal fibers or synthetic materials such as things like polyester, acrylic, and things like that. And because of this and their ethical practices, this is why their products are a little bit on the pricier end. Their pieces are more expensive than traditional fast fashion. I completely understand why, because they are sourcing high quality materials and they aren't using those really cheap materials. But the brand was super kind to give me a discount code to offer to you guys if you guys do want to save a little bit of money. No pressure to use that, of course, but if you do want to try anything from Miyakota, you guys can get 15% off with the code Danny, and I will have their website linked in the description box below. As you can see, their packaging is sustainable, and each piece either comes in one of these cute bags or any paper wrap. You can totally reuse these drawstring bags for other things, which is a fun little bonus to the packaging. So I have a variety of pieces to talk to you about today, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. First up is this oversized tee. This is a super comfy oversized tee. I have this in a size small. The sleeves are slightly longer than a typical short sleeve. This has a wide round neckline, and it's a really soft fabric. The fabric is made with Tencel, lyocell, and organic cotton. You can style this with leggings or however you want for daytime wear. I also think this would be great as a sleep shirt. You can wear it on its own at nighttime, or you can just wear it lounging around the house. I have this in the light peach color, but it also comes in black and white. If you want it to be more form-fitting, I would suggest sizing down, but if you do want that oversized look, then definitely get your regular size. And something that's awesome about their sizing is that they have a really good range of sizes available in all of their clothing pieces. Their sizes go from extra small to 4 extra large, so that is so great. Next is their crop tank. I have this in their black version and also their gray version, which I will show you in a minute, but the fabric is made with lyocell, organic cotton, and spandex. I have these in a size small. It fits really well, although I feel like a size medium would fit me nicely as well if I wanted a little bit of a looser fit, but if I want something that is more form-fitting, I think that the size small works really well for me. I'll put my measurements and sizing information in the description box for reference, but I personally really like wearing this with high-waisted pants. For example, it pairs really nice with these Miyakota wide leg pants, which I'll talk about next, but these crop tops are great for summer and they're really great for layering. It's a really cute cropped fit. Next is these wide leg cropped pants, which I have been wanting to try for so long, ever since I saw them post about these on their social media. These look so comfy and the style is so cute. They're flowy and you can dress these up or down, and the material is really comfortable. These are great for a variety of seasons. You can pair it with a crop top like this one during the summer, or you could even pair it with a long sleeve top in the fall. Given the name, it is a wide leg fit. These are also high-waisted and it has a cropped length. I have this in a size small. I normally wear a size 4 in pants. The fabric for these is made out of bamboo, organic cotton, and spandex jersey. These have a 2-inch waistband with elastic and drawstring. These come in 2 different colors, black and also rust, and the rust color is like a burnt orange color. This is their classic bodysuit. It's made with a really soft and light and stretchy material. It's made out of 95% bamboo and 5% spandex. This is the charcoal gray color. They also have a light gray color. I have this in a size small, though I will say this is a little bit snug on me, mostly around the chest area. For reference, I am a 32 double D, so maybe a medium would work better for me as far as like the chest area. But it's a really comfortable bodysuit. You can pair it with joggers or slouchy pants, jeans, or however you want. I feel like there are a lot of ways to style bodysuits. It snaps at the crotch, so when you have to go to the bathroom, you don't have to take off the whole bodysuit, so that's really nice. Then they also have an active bodysuit. This only comes in a black color. The fabric for this is bamboo, organic cotton, and spandex. This is a relatively thick and really nice quality material. It's great for activewear. The bamboo is moisture wicking. The organic cotton gives it a sturdy and also durable feel to it. And the 10% spandex gives it a nice stretch. I have a size small again. This does feel quite snug on my chest, so I feel like a medium would fit me better. But if I wore this on its own without a bra, it might fit better. And because it's an activewear bodysuit, it can kind of act like a sports bra, but of course it's like a sports bra for your whole body. But the material of this feels really nice and it feels like great quality. This is their athletic moon bralette. I got this in a size medium, which fits nice and snug like you want a sports bra to fit. The fabric for this is bamboo, organic cotton, and a spandex blend. It has a really cute design and you could even style it with a backless top. They say to size up if you want a relaxed fit. So if I wanted it to be a little bit looser, I would get a size large. Next is this underwear and bralette. That is a collab that Miyakota did with the Days Swimwear, which is a sustainable swimwear brand. The underwear is high-waisted with a cheeky fit, but it's not too cheeky, so I don't feel like it gives you a wedgie or anything like that. It has a single layer fabric for breathability. The material of this is so comfortable. It's made with organic cotton, lyocell, and a spandex jersey blend. The bralette has removable cups/pads. It has adjustable straps, elastic at the hem for a customizable and comfortable fit. It has a scoop front neckline and double layer fabric for added coverage. So I got a medium for both of these. I feel like the medium for the underwear fits really well, but the size medium on the top I feel like is a little bit too big for me. Even when I adjust the straps, I feel like it's a little bit larger. I got a medium in these because I got a size medium for their moon bralette, and that one is actually quite snug on me. So that's why I thought a medium would fit well for this bralette, but actually I think that a size small would fit better for this one. But the material of both the underwear and the bra is so comfortable. I got this in the pink color, but they also have it available in a black and gray color. Lastly is this gorgeous set. It is a collaboration that Miyakota did with Wabi Sabi Botanicals, which is a woman-owned vegan and cruelty-free skincare brand. This is the Wabi Sabi Botanicals times Miyakota Dalmatian collection. This is final sales, so if you are interested in this, definitely check it out before it sells out. This collection features the natural pattern of Wabi Sabi Botanicals' signature Dalmatian quartz crystal gua sha. This set comes with the gua sha, of course, a headband, and also a scrunchie. This is a really good gift for a friend or even yourself. The beautiful gua sha has a really unique shape, and the gua sha is individually carved and made of real natural Dalmatian stone, and the headband and scrunchie are 100% cotton and hand sewn locally to Miyakota in New York. So that's an example of why their products are a little bit more expensive, because it's slow fashion. So they're not made super quickly in large batches, but they put a lot of love into creating their clothing and accessories. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you guys are interested in trying anything from Miyakota, you guys can get 15% off with the code Danny. I will have everything that I talked about linked and listed in the description box below. If you want to see any more sustainable fashion videos that I have made, I do have a whole sustainable fashion playlist. If you guys want to see more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye, guys.